Going left, going right, up and down. So if you haven't figured it out yet, I got a new toy for the shop. I'm playing around with it, trying to get used to it, but I got a new gimbal. Or I got a gimbal. I didn't have one before. So no more shaky hand camera video. Hopefully it'll get nice and smooth and not, make you guys seasick. I'm playing with the controls now, but I figured it's been a while, so it's probably time for an update for the shop. For those that don't follow me on Instagram, this is kind of like a catch up. So last time I did a shop update, I was working in here. It was on something I made, a little tiny round coaster thing. Oh, actually, here it is. Found it. This guy. I was working on this, getting that set up. But since then, I've gotten a lot of things, or got stuff set up. So one big thing is, look back here, I got a toolbox. Before you saw the stainless steel one that I had was probably that tall. It was all drawers. And so, yeah, I got rid of that. I was actually able to sell that and be able to buy this. This, as you can see, is a Husky. Got this from, I think, Home Depot. I think they sell that. But yeah, it's exactly what I wanted. It's a tabletop. I'm trying to use the gimbal and talk at the same time. I'm trying to get used to it. But I can work up here. You can see I already got tools up here. I was working on something. Oh, actually, one other thing. I did this. So if you guys follow the Johnny 5 build over on Saunders Machine Works or even NYCCNC, I built this. I'll put the link to the video in the description, but I made that for the Johnny 5 build, and I actually just saw it on the unboxing video. So that was cool. As one thing I've made since the last shop update. What else have I done? So I've done a lot of stuff. If I step back some more, tool storage. Before, I had a whole bunch of stuff down here on the floor. I had a cardboard box that had all those tools just sitting down there. But I got that fixed. I found this on eBay. It actually came. Those were actually one piece. That piece was down here. I just chopped it so I could have it just right above the workbench, so I could grab it and work down here, and I can move the camera, work down here and go back up and just do whatever. So I got that installed. I got this from a friend, this little workbench area. So that was free. That's a nice little cubby hole I can stick the laser, because that previously, if I go over here, there was a table saw that was there. I sold that, got that out of the shop because I don't use it enough. I do like having a table saw for those times when you need to make a really long cut, but I didn't use it enough. So I was able to use that money to go and get some stuff to help update the shop. If I turn back around, so I got this. I stuck this in here, but to do this, I had to move this whole thing down. So I did all that. That was kind of a task, because there you can see there's a leaf here that I made. So this is one workbench, and then this is one workbench. Sorry for the camera motion. I'm trying to learn how to use this while I'm talking. But you can see the router. This is where the shop vac is that I have for the router. That's all the way up against the garage door. I can still open it, but there's maybe a hand thickness between that and the door. One thing I did was I calibrated the router. Was able to do that so I could work on some stuff here. Made it look like a little bit of a homeless shelter here. Got this plastic. This was a little small DIY project I did. Just to get it contained. You can see all the sawdust on the ground. This actually it's really good at keeping all the sawdust inside of here. The sound is still crazy loud, which that's one thing I'm thinking about is getting rid of the motor. Now I just covered it up, I'm going to show you guys. Getting rid of that actual router and getting maybe a water-cooled spindle, because I've heard that those are a lot quieter. And that would, you know, with that running and the shop vac in the back, it's just super loud in here. You can see we've got some patriotic earplugs. But, so I was using those while I was doing work out here. Sorry, wrong way. So that's one thing that's updated. This guy was previously over here. You can see here, look at this. I got a desk out here. So this is one other thing I updated, or not really updated, is my office in the house. I moved my desk and everything out here next to the machine. That way I could, you know, program and then run or do whatever. I can do some modeling here if I need to. So that's another thing. You know, I'm pretty much now self-sufficient. You know, besides a bathroom out here, I'm pretty good to go. So what else we got? I made a list. Let's see, what haven't I gone over yet? Gimbal. I got a gimbal. You guys, you know, you can see I'm playing around with it now. The last shop update I don't think I had that yet. Maybe I did, but I got the shop air all hooked up. You can see it over here. All that goes around. It comes over here, goes down here, and then goes over there. So that's good. What else do I got? Oh, toolbox. Already went over that. Workbench. So yeah, I got those two. I already talked to you guys about that. Office stuff. Got all my office stuff. And what else? There's not much else. You can see that it's slowly starting to get more clean. I'm working over here and working this way. It's getting more and more clean. Even the dirt's moving this way. So I just figured I'd give you guys a little shop update. I know some of you guys been curious. This is a little bit more clean. Not the total. This I don't think actually was up here yet. This has been hiding away, squirreled down back in the corner. But this was an old Kickstarter for a resin 3D printer. So I want to get my printers back up and running. BukaBot, PrinterBot. That was my very first printer. My OG printer. You can see it's the laser cut wood. I'm thinking about actually putting this, making a little double decker maybe. Sticking this, putting a shelf up here maybe, and putting this printer up here. That way I get also more desk space down here and get this up and out of the way. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I got some more stuff brewing. Oh, if you guys want stickers, I got stickers. I got more stuff that I'm working on. This I can't exactly put that on YouTube because they don't like that kind of stuff. Working on that. Working on some other side projects. May or may not make a video of them. Oh, I need to. This is something I'll take a video of. Definitely is. When I was working on this guy, I had some issues with my tool changer. It wasn't when it would change the tools, the forks wouldn't exactly catch the tool completely. So I gotta deal with that. That may be a cold start position or alignment of this, something. But I'll make a video of that on how I go about fixing that or even troubleshooting it. I gotta figure that one out because I got all these nice tools and you know I want to be able to use them in the tool changer. I don't want to do the manual tool changes that I've been doing. So yeah, ATC is probably an upcoming video. That is not a video. That might be on Instagram, but that's a no-no from YouTube. So I won't post a video on that. I'm just showing you a picture of that. So I'm not telling you how to make it. Don't worry. So working on that. I'm working on I got plenty of, if anyone wants any extra wrenches, I've been sorting through all my tools. I've got so many extra random wrenches that I don't need. I got a toolbox. I got plenty of wrenches that I need. I don't need any extra. So, and then this is also eternally on my to-do list. I went through a couple design iterations, and I got one more I need to do to help adjust things and make things work. But the CNC lathe will be coming along here shortly. I got plenty of wood if you guys want wood. And I got a lovely trash pile, you know, typical shop stuff, that actually might be an issue because I need to open the door here to get out, get the stuff out, and I can't exactly get to the door if I got a pile of garbage there. So anyways, did I show you the clamps yet? Put all my woodworking clamps up there. I don't do much woodworking anymore, but I figured I'd get it all out of the way since it's you know, in the way currently. So anyways, hope you guys are doing great. I'm busy with shop stuff, trying to get stuff organized still. I'm having a baby soon, so that's going to be probably another, you know, time crunch, or even just getting stuff organized. So I might be a little bit delayed on some videos, but I look forward to making some stuff and getting more stuff made on here, especially that guy. I want to get that lathe up and going, and maybe even provide kits for you guys. If someone wants a kit, maybe I can make... Oh, one thing I forgot to tell you guys. Look at this. So one of my previous Instagram, you know, questions and posts was, how am I gonna, you know, my tool changer or tool holder changer guy, I was thinking about mounting it here on the workbench horizontally so I can get to the pull stud. It's kind of like similar to how this is, sitting like this so I can get to the tool over here, but also the pull stud on the side. But based on your guys' feedback, I decided to go mount it on the wall, something, you know, rigid. I was either going to mount it there, I was going to mount it here, or I was going to mount it on the side of the machine, because I have seen some machines that have them bolted to the sheet metal, but I don't know. It's kind of gives a little bit if you're really cranking on it. So I put a board up that would give me more spacing off the wall, but it's pretty dang rigid. So I'm going to use that for setting up tools and stuff, and then yeah, cool beans. So figured I'd give you guys a shop update. The video's actually kind of getting long now, so I am going to cut it loose now. Thanks for following my journey, guys. I look forward to making some stuff and showing you my progress. So hope you guys have a great day. Bye.